Hello, my name is Elite and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will explain the word affable, its meaning, definition and the example. Affable. The definition of affable is receiving others kindly and conversing with them in a free and friendly manner. The synonyms of affable are friendly, approachable, complacent, agreeable. Now let me show the example of affable word in sentences are: her grandfather has always been the most affable man around. Friendly and affable, Karen was the most liked person in the office. Another great Sagittarius trait is their easy smile and affable nature. He was always affable, with a good Cockney humor. Everyone liked him. Please like, share, subscribe and support my channel. That's all for this video. See you in next video.